Change 0.36 recurring to a fraction. So note that 0.36 with two dots on the means 0.363636, and that carries on forevermore. So what you do is you let x equal to 0.363636. Because every two digits now recur, you now multiply x by 100. So you now get 36.363636. And then when you do 100x minus x, you're going to get 36 minus 0, which is 36. 36 take away 6 is 0. 36 take away 36 is 0. 36 take away 36 is 0. And then so on. Now 100x minus x gives you 99x. And that now gives you 36. And we wanted to find x, because originally x was the recurring decimal. So x will now be 36 over 99. Now, if the fraction cancels down, which it does, you need to cancel the fraction down. So the fraction will become 4 over 11, dividing top and bottom by 9. Therefore, 0.6 recurring is equal to 4/11. This has been a video to show you how to convert a recurring decimal into a fraction. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.